Well, I'm here today because we think there's been a major overstep in our rights. And we're here to send Governor Evers a message because the biggest concern is that the solution is going to be more harmful than the virus itself. We should be allowed to go to work because there's many people who aren't able to provide for their families right now. Yes, they recently got $1,200, but that's only going to go so far. We can't depend on the government. There's only at some point the government's going to just collapse because they don't have the resources to take care of everybody forever.
It was God who established the faithful local church. And it is above the pay grade of governor or king to regulate it.
People want their freedom back. You know, if you're sick, if you're immunocompromised, stay home. That's your freedom. That's your right. But, why should my freedoms be taken away?